Alright guys, today we have this battery. This is from DJI Inspire 1. I have this brand new DJI Inspire 1 and the battery is no longer charging. Alright, I had this thing sitting for probably like 4 months after I bought it. I discharged the battery and I left it on the shelf for about 5 to 6 months. And now I got this plugged in. As you can see, it's plugged into the outlet there, and this outlet is working, but there's nothing is happening. You know, I had this thing on the charge for a good hour and nothing is happening. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what you can do to make this battery jump up and it will start working normally again. What happens is this system in here, it has a circuit board in there. It's like a little computer. When you discharge the battery, it has enough power for this thing to count days, I believe. So after a certain amount of days, it goes to a safe mode. Like this battery should no longer be used because it was sitting there. It can blow up, it can explode, it can go on fire, it can be dangerous for you flying a drone. But the battery is fairly new. Only had like one flight with it, and then I had to stop flying this drone. And as you can see, it still has the plastic on it. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take off this top part. This is where the circuit is inside here, and we're gonna give this battery direct power from here to there. We'll jump some leads. What's happening here is this thing here is not letting this charge. That's the problem there. So there's nothing wrong here, guys. Alright, you see that? Nothing is happening. Alright, so let me try taking this apart and I'll show you exactly what I did and what I'm doing and why I'm doing. Guys, I got my battery dismounted. You see this from the top? There's ground here, which is coming from the circuit board. Alright guys, let me get a little flashlight from my phone. As you can see, there's a black cable which is coming from this charging port. It goes into the circuit board over there, all the way in there. You can see it's going to the circuit board, and then from circuit board is coming back down this way. So what happened here is the circuit board needs power for this thing to fire on. All right, so what you need to do here is manually charge this thing. All right, because if the circuit board does not have any power, how is it going to command the system to charge? All right guys, so that's all you need to do is to charge up this battery directly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect a positive lead here and a negative lead right there, but we do need to figure out what's a positive and negative on that. So that's it guys. So let me get this thing hooked up and then I'll show you when it's hooked up. All right guys, I'm ready to connect this. Give me another moment and I will show you exactly what we're doing. So right on this right here, you see the green one? That's positive. All right, so the one that's close to this cable on this, you can see which that's positive and the other side is negative. You can check yours by using voltmeter. And this red cable goes all around, and what I did was put it to the positive on this side and the negative is on the other side right there. This is the positive, so that it's getting power directly, and right here it's a negative. So I got this voltmeter hooked up over here. It's on DC. It's connected to negative here, and once I touch positive here, you're gonna get 25 volts. See, if I let it go, put it on, let it go, put it on, let it go. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna remove my voltmeter from right here. You're gonna see a little bit of spark. That's okay. See that? It's normal. And this is getting power now. Right, we're gonna leave this on for like an hour and let's see if it jumps up, and I'll continue the video. Give me a little moment. All right guys, I got the battery to work already, as you can see. Just want you to do one more thing guys. When you're charging this, just disconnect this little cable right here, just for the safety of the circuit board. The battery was on here for probably like 30 minutes, but it's really hot guys, and this is direct power. All right, what this does is it gives us low power, but I got it to run guys. Look at that. All right, let's see. I really don't know how to use this battery still, because like I said, I only used it once and it shows it's full. All these are lit up, so let's see. All right guys, what I'm gonna do is let me put this back together, then I'm gonna connecting the charging port in here. And all right, you know what, let me take off my alligator clips here, and while we're here, all right. Still showing red here. Alright guys, got this thing running. At least I got it to power up, and let's see what happens. Alright, let me take off everything, let me set everything up, and then I'm gonna put this everything back together. And there it is guys. If you need to do something with this, that's how you're gonna do it. Alright. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and do subscribe guys, and bye bye. Alright guys, I'm done with everything. It's completed. Put everything back together. Now we can take a look at this. It's little, you're gonna see a normal brightness because I still got the little cover on the top, the plastic cover on it. Alright, let me just remove it. It's time for this thing to go. Alright, there it is guys. So shut the battery down. There it is. Alright. Alright guys. So if I click once down and twice down, and the battery will turn on, and it's full already. Alright guys. That's it guys. That's how you're gonna bring the battery back to life. Alright. Only a test with the drone will tell what's the performance of this battery. It's been sitting for about 6 months. But anyways, there it is guys. If you have a dead battery, bring it back to life.